Today, Bitcoin is trading slightly below the $100,000 US mark, and I'm gonna show you my at the moment running trades, approximately $18,000 in a profit. We're also having trades at the moment with over $45,000 in the profit, and I have to show you some statistics, some data about the on-chain movements, about the ETF accumulation, and I'm gonna share my analysis with you guys here. You can see in the normal Bitcoin bull market cycles, we have immense drawdowns, we have huge corrections in the markets where people lose their money and start panic selling. And at the moment where we saw a huge amount of long liquidations, the panic selling or the drawdown wasn't even that high, and flushing out high leverage is very often possible in the Bitcoin bull runs, and happens also very often in these completely amazing bull runs where everyone is sitting on a huge amount of profits, and this will probably end when the leverage is coming in and it gets flushed out immediately. And what I want to talk about today is the amazing speech of Eric Trump, the son of Donald Trump, the new and upcoming president from the United States. Yesterday I saw him in Abu Dhabi in the Bitcoin conference, and he was talking about Bitcoin, and he said that he is pretty confident that Bitcoin is going to hit not only the $100,000 mark again, it even can hit the $1 million mark, and that's a huge benchmark price for Bitcoin.
It's going to hit 1 million. I think we're all confident in this room that it's going to hit 1 million.
And also yesterday we had ETF inflows for the Bitcoin spot ETFs for over 450 million US dollars. The day before it was 480 million US dollars. And the days even before, or even the week, it was multiple billion dollars going in the Bitcoin investment, going in the Bitcoin ETF. And this just shows the massive buying pressure that we're probably gonna face for a furthermore period of time. A really important thing that I want to talk about the Bitcoin price and the upcoming price volatility is what I can show you here in this statistic and graphs. Also, by the way, for Ethereum, there was a huge movement to the upside in the ETF accumulation. So also a good backing sign that the Ethereum ETF is going to be bought up. And here's also a very important news about the Bitcoin price. Here we see that MicroStrategy will be joining the Nasdaq 100 index, and this gives Michael Saylor the ability to give out more of his stock shares and put more money into Bitcoin. And this is just the easy concept of him making one of the best stock performances with his company MicroStrategy, that is only putting money in Bitcoin and taking all the bull run performance with the stock itself. So this is a very bullish news. And even though like we have also bad news, like Microsoft itself, like the third biggest company, they had like voting from their shareholders, and they decided finally not to go into Bitcoin, not to invest in the cryptocurrency as their strategic reserve. So although this huge company will not buy, it's more or less hugely positive that there is even talks about it, that Bitcoin makes it in these high niveaus of companies. And so all in all, it's not a bad decision, it's bad for Microsoft, not for Bitcoin. That's their problem. Everyone who is not benefiting from Bitcoin will leave the profits to others, and yeah, luckily we can buy the Bitcoins. And if they want to buy later into Bitcoin, they have to pay much higher prices. The only thing for me in the chart now, and then put it in the square view, I'm always buying Bitcoin. As you know, as you often see in my videos, I'm just super bullish. I want Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will hit more than 120,000 US dollars. Now what really should be happening here is like we have this upward trending support. We can see it here directly in the Bitcoin price, and we also unfortunately have this not so good rising resistance. The problem that we have now is like we broke this resistance here. The Bitcoin price is trending below our support zone, and now this is the decision price. We have to make it up over this last support. Best case would be we really pump up here and even leave the other resistance and we go for new all-time highs. Otherwise, I have to say this is a bearish chart pattern. They often tend to go down and really the price drops significantly from this. If we can reverse this downtrend, and we already broke the supports, then it's super bullish. Bitcoin is in a bull run. Bitcoin also breaks out bullish from a bearish price movement. This would be like the superb vision of this bull run continuation. So let's see, let's wait, and leave your opinion down in the comments below whenever you want to trade Bitcoin and make the profits that I do. This is just one of the smaller trades. We even have one that's 2 or 3 times bigger. I'm gonna show you in the next videos. The link for my exchanges that I use are in the video description down below. You can sign up completely for free and grab up to $5,000 in like new bonuses for new users. So you should definitely do that, consider that. But I would recommend this only for experienced users. Trading is really risky if you don't know what you do. So learn it, use a demo account, and then you can take the last run up for the bull run with immense profits, as we do it all the time. And so I wish you the very best luck. I wish you the most success in your trades, and we see each other in the next video. I wish you the best profits. See you. Bye bye.